इंडिया में सभी का स्वागत है। द टोपाज इवेंट प्रेजेंट मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन का आयोजन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया जी ने किया था। महिलाओं को प्रेरणा देने के लिए इन्होंने ये इस प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया था। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सौंदर्य प्रतियोगिता मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 सीजन 4 और रॉयल ग्लोबल
द टोपाज इवेंट प्रेजेंट
अवार्ड
मिस
का
एंड
आयोजन
मिसेस रॉयल
3
ग्लोबल
और
क्वीन
4 अगस्त को
2024 सीजन 4 में
किया गया था।
मिस्सी मैथ्यूज यूएई, मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन इंस्पिरेशनल ब्यूटी 2024, रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन ऑफ यूएई 2024, रॉयल ग्लोबल अचीवर अवार्ड विनर, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट एंड एनिमल वेलफेयर एम्बेसडर 2024 यह किताब जीते।
Evening, ladies and gentlemen, this is your host Ankuria Thate from CM News India, and a warm welcome to each one of you here at Miss and Mrs. Royal Global Queen Season 4. And here with us, we have an amazing person. We have Missy Matthews representing UAE, and she's here with us. Hello, firstly. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Priya, for that wonderful introduction. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. I would love to ask you that, what makes you participate in these amazing pageants?
I get asked that question a lot of times, and it's, to be honest, it's not the crown or it's not the sash. It's not the beginning when you get the sash or the end when you get the crown. It's more about the journey. It's the people you meet. You learn from their experiences. You share your experiences. We learn a lot, and I think that's what helps you grow. And I'm a big believer of growing, learning new skills. And once you learn and when you grow, then people around you can grow with you because you're going to impart that knowledge and that skill. So that's why I do all these pageants. And we have a queen here, Dr. Neelam. It's not the 2 days that you see. We've been working on this for months. We've gone through workshops where there's nutrition, we talk about grooming, about confidence, and that doesn't happen in 2 days. It takes a while for someone to actually get to that point, and she's really helped each and every person. I mean, I've done a lot of pageants, and to be very honest, I've never seen someone so hands-on. Okay, she's there for every session. You message her in the middle of the night, and a response will come back then and there, and she'll make you feel comfortable and calm. And that's what I want to someday be to someone else, inspire someone to do exactly what she's doing for all these wonderful women. Giving them a platform, giving them an opportunity, helping them live their dream. Not many of them were thinking, years ago, oh, I'm going to be in a pageant, I'm going to have a crown, I'm going to represent my country, or country, home away from home is UAE for me. But she gives that opportunity, and there's a lot of people doing that, and someday I want to do that. So that's why I actually do all these pageants. And then I do a lot of social causes and stuff, especially things to do with animal welfare. And I want to educate people and get people to understand that,
We might be lucky.
just saying, but, just to educate and, educate people about animal welfare and how important, just like us, they are creations from God. They need a life to just voiceless animals, but they're beautiful creatures, and we need to be that voice, so just don't buy, adopt. So I just want to go on to that mode, and these kind of platforms just help new people open up new avenues, so stuff like that. So it is very important, and this is definitely coming off. So platforms like this really help, things like this, yeah.
No, that's really nice. I mean, firstly, you speak so well. I could hear you forever. You're like a Zen person. Can feel like vibe. So yeah, I think too many things that you spoke about. First, I would like to go on the crown. Yeah, but I think it was slipping off. But it's on the pretty women keeping the chin up and managing. Juggling in between the work.
Right.
And then yeah, also talking about how Neelam Paradia, she's always on the toes and doing things. Even for me, I think I get her messages in the midnight with the script or anything that's up with her. No, that's a really great thing.
That's amazing, and not many people actually do that.
Yeah.
Being hands-on, because once you reach a certain level, you're like, okay, I'll have 4 other people do it for me, right? But she wants to make sure that the journey she's gone through, she wants someone else to take that same journey to reach her level. And that takes a big person to do that. Not many people do that. And that's why I really admire, and that's why I did want to be part of this pageant, this platform. And thank you. No, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Also, Missy, I would love to know what title have you won today? Let me look at that.
Inspiring beauty.
Oh my dog.
I think I would personally say that's ideal, just because of the work that I do. Again, I do a lot of social work. I do a lot with empowering women to workshops for them, help them. For me, it's very important, and it's not just women; it's man, woman, or child. And we're going through a phase, and I have a 13-year-old, and we go through all these phases where they are underconfident, they are unsure about themselves, and for us, we need to get our future generation to move on and think that it's okay to be different. Embrace your uniqueness. And I always say that doesn't matter what race, color, height, anything that you are. But what really matters is your inner self, your inner beauty, and your inner confidence. And once you know yourself, then you can conquer the world. Like, because you know yourself and you're that confident. So I want our future, and I think we all want that, our future generation and our present, to be able to be that confident, say, I can do it. I can do anything that I set my mind to. And I think that's one of the things that's important.
Absolutely. I think it was lovely having you here with
That
us.
is
It's our pleasure too. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
Miss.
दुनिया भर के 10 देशों में से महिलाओं ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। महिला सशक्तिकरण और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एकीकरण के साथ भाईचारे के सामाजिक उद्देश्यों का जश्न मनाया गया। यह वैश्विक मंच पर कॉस्मेटिक डेंटल सर्जन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया और द टोपाज इवेंट द्वारा आयोजित स्टार स्टडेड कार्यक्रम था।
Congratulating Miss Matthews for winning the subtitle of Carrying the Inspirational Beauty.
Her various creative passion includes being a dance instructor, voiceover artist, commercial modeling, and being a creative director. Not just this, she's also plays an important role in women empowerment and animal welfare awareness. For Women Empowerment and Animal Welfare Ambassador. The Victory Global Queen of UAE winner 2024 goes to none other than Missy Matthews. Representing UAE. is Missy Matthews. Is an important role in women empowerment and animal welfare awareness as well. Entrepreneur, fashion designer, and also an art director. Also holds double MBAs in finance and accounting. Her various creative passions includes being a best instructor, voiceover artist, commercial modeling, and being a creative director. Oh my God. So many titles and one more title added. That is the Royal Global Queen.
Hi, good evening. I am so excited to be crowned the Mrs. Royal Global Queen of UAE. And I also got this award for women empowerment and for the animal welfare ambassador. This is a very exciting moment for me, a surreal moment for me, and something that I've been working for a very long time. I also got an award for inspirational beauty, and I definitely say that that's a well-deserved title because the work that I do with the animal welfare and with women empowerment, facilitating people's dreams and passion and trying to make it into life, truly shows that what I've been working for. So I really want to thank Dr. Neelam for giving each and every woman right here the opportunity, an opportunity to showcase my talents, to showcase my passion, and to be able to take it to the next level. So thank you so much, and this is a win for UAE, my home away from home. Thank you.
मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन सीजन 4 का आयोजन बेहद सफल रहा और इसके साथ हम अभी के लिए अलविदा लेते हैं। सीएम न्यूज इंडिया, मुंबई।